What if the helmet you're trusting with your life is based on outdated technology? The truth is, most top 10 lists are wrong, and that misinformation could cost you everything. In this video, we're bypassing the sponsored reviews and the marketing fluff. We've crash-tested, lab-analyzed, and pressure-checked dozens of models to bring you the only 5 helmets for 2025 that you should even consider. The number 1 pick isn't what you think, and it might just save your life. Starting at number 1. Giro Synthe MIPS 2. Best Value Road Helmet. The Synthe was Giro's flagship road helmet for years, and for good reason. It's lightweight, exceptionally comfortable, and offers excellent ventilation. While it has since been replaced at the top of Giro's lineup, the Synthe remains a high-quality helmet and one of my all-time favorites. This is a great chance to grab a top-tier road lid at a fraction of the original price. Number 2. Giro Helios Spherical. Great protection and comfort. The Helios is the latest in Giro's line of spherical helmets. Debuting with the Ether, Giro's spherical helmets feature a slip plane claimed to reduce rotational forces on the brain in some impacts. Though it employs the same design, the Helios does not use the Aura polyamide reinforcing ring used by the Ether and Manifest. Without Aura, the Helios's vents can't be as large as the helmets with the reinforcement, which knocks ventilation down a peg. It's by no means hot or stuffy, it has internal channeling, and air moves through it well, but, compared to the Ether, ventilation felt only average. Aimed at the gravel/all-road crowd, the Helios is a rounder, smoother-looking helmet, one that doesn't shout, "I race!" Coverage also drops slightly lower in the rear, so the Helios covers more of the skull and provides additional protection if the rider falls backward. Number 3. Synthe Network. Best for the gravel curious. The Synthe Network has many of the features of the company's pricier models, along with some truly novel ones. It retains the panels of a honeycomb-like material called choroid that is said to increase airflow, and along with the EPS foam, absorbs more energy upon impact. Plus the Network has great eyewear integration and an optional fabric visor that adds the convenience of a cycling cap without the added bulk. For cost-conscious off-road riding, the Laser Lupo combines Kinetic core technology with true mountain style. And for a one-size-fits-all helmet, it's surprisingly customizable. The turn dial adjusts fit in both width and height, and the relatively low-profile shell allows for a range of fits without too much extra volume. The fully integrated Kinetic core protection system also cuts down on volume. Those with especially large heads may find the fit a bit restrictive, but the majority of riders will appreciate a helmet that feels stable, secure, and sleek across all sizes. The sturdy visor won't budge no matter how bumpy the ride gets either. 5 stars from the Virginia Tech Helmet Lab makes this the safest helmet you can buy for a mere $70. Number 4. POC Omne Air MIPS. Best budget all-arounder. The POC Omne Air Spin looks like it should be a lot more expensive than it is. In the not-so-distant past, cheaper helmets looked, well, cheap. Straps were tough to adjust, retention systems were subpar, and there was less ventilation. In short, they were clunky. The Omni, on the other hand, is far from clunky. It boasts extensive ventilation, a polycarbonate shell bonded to an optimized density EPS foam liner, and POC spin technology that reduces rotational forces from angled impacts, similar to MIPS. Add in the 360-degree size adjustment retention system and this helmet looks, feels, and performs just like many helmets that are double the price. The ventilation is more than adequate to keep you from overheating, and despite the extra coverage in the back, it doesn't feel excessive for road riding. Additionally, gravel and cross-country racers who don't like the full coverage of traditional trail helmets might enjoy this helmet. Number 5. Giro Aries Spherical. Best racing helmet. The Aries is Giro's best ventilated and most protective road helmet to date. The new model replaces the Ether and takes the position as the brand's premier road helmet. What's new is that 5 years of experience with Spherical and Aura, along with the constant march of technology, allowed Giro to build a helmet that, on paper, exceeds the Ether in almost every way. It's also currently the best helmet that Virginia Tech has tested and rated. Whether you're a daily commuter, a weekend warrior, or hitting the mountain trails, one of these 5 helmets is your best defense. Your safety is non-negotiable. If this investigation brought you clarity and peace of mind, please hit the like button and share this video with anyone who rides. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications, because next week we're exposing the cycling gear scam that's putting millions at risk. All the links to check prices and features for these 5 life-saving helmets are in the description below. Ride safe, and I'll see you in the next one.